Meaning of Ecuador.
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 Ecuador. Ecuador is a country in South America that is named after the equator, which crosses through it. The equator is an imaginary line around the Earth that is equidistant from the North and South poles, and divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Ecuador is a relatively small country and is known for its diverse geography, including the Andes Mountains, the Amazon rainforest, and the Galapagos Islands. Its official language is Spanish, and its currency is the US dollar. Ecuador is also famous for its indigenous cultures, colonial architecture, and delicious cuisine.